28 lives have been lost today due to COVID-19, the highest number ever recorded since the onset of the virus in the country. 1,354 new cases and 185 recoveries have also been reported. With the situation deteriorating, the government is urging Kenyans to observe all the health guidelines and urge citizens to be patient as they await vaccination. However, Health CAS Mercy Mwangangi has emphasized that vaccine does not stop transmission and Kenyans should take extra precautions. Here is more from Harriet Chimea.
In 2 consecutive days, Kenya has lost more than 15 lives per day, with today recording a high of 28 fatalities, the highest number recorded since the onset of the virus. A worrying trend, sending a resounding alarm that the situation is worsening. The Chief Administrative Secretary, Dr. Mercy Mwangangi, has said that 830 patients have been admitted in various hospitals, while 2,332 are on home-based isolation. So far, the country has vaccinated 28,255, including healthcare workers, teachers, and security personnel, out of over 1 million doses.
Tomorrow, you'll be seeing more and more facilities being onboarded. Just this week, private sector facilities got their vaccines. And so you're bound to see an increase in the number of healthcare workers and essential personnel who will receive these vaccines. So it is not time to start branding something as hesitancy. I think it's important we appreciate. We are now perhaps just 2 weeks into this exercise, and I can tell you there's a healthy appetite within the doctors, within the nurses, within the CEOs, lab techs. I keep getting calls every day with people really wanting to get this vaccine.
With a noted increase of public wanting to get in line and receiving the jab, Dr. Mercy Mwangangi has warned that getting the jab does not stop transmission, adding that one can get COVID-19.
You receiving the jab does not mean that you cannot transmit COVID-19. What the jab does is that it makes your immune system alert and it prepares you for war. Should you come across the COVID-19 virus, your immune system will be primed. It will be ready to fight and to manage that COVID-19. And so it is expected, and that is not, the only case that we shall have of people turning positive. This will continue to happen. What we do know and what we are happy about is that this jab will prevent progression to severe cases for COVID-19.
Dr. Hwale reiterated that the jab brings about herd immunity and thereafter curbing the progression of the virus.
So with this vaccine, what we will be monitoring is to see the reduction in the number of admissions. But it does not stop transmission from one person to another. However, it is anticipated that if vaccination will reach a certain level, then you start progressing towards a herd immunity.
Nairobi is still leading with 717 new cases, followed by Nakuru with 174. Kenya has reported new 1,354 positive cases and 185 recoveries. Harriet Chimea reporting for Switch TV.
Thank you, Harriet. Just remember, mask up. Mask up. Very important. Now...